Namaskar, this is Kuber Entertainment YouTube channel and I, Vidya Rama Khatakar, welcome all the students of Ayurveda in the series of e-learning. I am here with a new voiceover video. Subject is Ayurvedic Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra. Introduction. There is only one government approved degree course which is valid all over India to learn Ayurveda. It is BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery. After earning this degree, students have options to learn the postgraduate degrees in various branches of Ayurveda, MD Ayurveda, MS Ayurveda, and also PhD. In first 2 years of BAMS course, students go through some preclinical and paraclinical subjects like basic principles of Ayurveda, history of Ayurveda, Rachana Sharir, Kriya Sharir, Dravya Guna, Rasa Shastra, etc. Then, in the third year, they get introduced to the subject, clinical subject, Stri Rog and Prasuti Tantra. This means it is supposed that the students have a basic knowledge of Ayurveda before approaching this subject. The basic concepts in Ayurveda must be clear in his or her mind. For example, Tridosh, Saptadhatu, Upadhatu, Mala, Strotasa, Ekadasha Indriyani, Peshi, Ashay, Nidan Panchak, etc. As per the curriculum set by Central Council of Indian Medicine, it is mandatory to study each subject described in both sciences, Ayurveda and Allopathy. So, it is supposed that student has a basic knowledge of Sanskrit for Ayurveda and English for Allopathy. All the Ayurvedic classics have described the subject Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra in detail, but the writing styles in that era were different from the today's ones. So, the references are scattered all over the book, especially in Sharishthan, Nidanasthan, Vimanasthan, Chikitsasthan, etc. We have to recollect them during study. For example, Yoni Vyapad Adhyay and Garbhavakranti Adhyay from Charak Samhita. Mudagarbha Chikitsa Adhyay, Sutika Upakramaniya Adhyay from Sushrut Samhita. Stri Rog Chikitsa Adhyay from Yog Ratnakar, and so on. Kashyap Samhita is known as a special classic for Ayurvedic Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra branch. The references here are different, detailed, and more than other ones. In present era, we can find a collection of almost all the references in a single book. Authors' commentaries based on their practical knowledge is along with, and the language is also simplified. Some of them books are Ayurvedic Concepts in Gynecology by Vaidya Nirmala Joshi. The other one is Hindi, Ayurvedic Prasuti Tantra Evam Stri Rog, Pratham Tatha Dvitiya Bhag, Vaidya Premvati Tiwari ji. The other one is Textbook of Gynecology Stri Rog Vijnan by Vaidya V.N.K. Usha. Today we are going to study the following points. First one is introduction of the subject. The second is place of Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra in Ashtanga Ayurveda. The next is importance of studying the Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra branch. The next is provenance of this branch. Then etymological origin of the word Stri and definition. And the last one is synonyms of the word Stri according to age and stages. Meaning of Stri Rog is those abnormalities which can occur only in women, that is Rakta Pradar, Stana Vidradhi, etc. Meaning of Prasuti Tantra is all issues related with pregnancy, parturition and puerperium. In short, this branch refers to study of normality and abnormalities of only two strotas, Artavaha strotas and Stanyavaha strotas. Place of Stri Rog and Prasuti Tantra branch in Ashtanga Ayurveda. In the first shlok, the 8 branches of Ayurveda are named Kaya, Bala, Graha, Urdhvanga, Adi. In the second sutra, Maharshi Harit has defined the word Balroga from these 8 parts. Garbha Upakrama Vijnana, Sutika Upakrama Tatha, Balanam Roga Shamani Kriya Bala Chikitsitam. According to Charak Samhita, the word Kaumara Bhrutya Tantra is used for Balarog. In Sushrut Samhita, It is defined as care of infant and its caretaker. कौमारभृत्य तंत्र नाम कुमारभरण धात्री क्षीरदोष संशोधनार्थम दुष्टस्तन्य ग्रह समुत्थानाम च व्याधीनाम उपशमनार्थम. Here we see the word Kaumarabhritya explained by Chakradatta, the commentator of Charak Samhita. Kumarasya bharanam adhikritya krutam Kaumarabhrityam. The dictionary meaning of the word bharana is to get, to carry, to give birth, to protect, to give refuge, to nourish. It means these acts done by the mother for infant are included in the branch of Strirog Prasuti Tantra. Acharya Gananath Sen, the author of the book Pratyaksha Sharir, says that Prasuti Tantra has described firstly in the subject Kaumarabhritya, and Strirog Prasuti Tantra is a co-branch of Kaumarabhritya Tantra. Importance of this branch. Apatyanam moolam naryaha param nrunam tad vighataihi gadaischa asam kriyate yonim ashritaihi. That means the health and diseases of the women are responsible for existence, normality and abnormalities of the next generation more than men. That's why the study of Strirog and Prasuti Tantra branch is important. Extent of this branch is limited. It refers only to women. It includes only those who are in reproductive age, that is 15 to 50 plus or minus 5, that is from menarche to menopause. Third one is only two strotasas are concerned with, those are Artavah Strotas and Stanyavah Strotas. Etymological origin of the word Stri. Styayate asyam anena iti Stri. In short, the meaning is the body which hold organs, have functions and have a mental state which are essential for making a new baby is called Stri. Synonyms or adjectives for the word Stri according to age. In the classic Yoga Ratnakar, it is described as follows. Up to age of 16, she is called Bala. From the age of 16 to 32, it is Taruni. After that, up to age of 50, the word is Adhirudha. After 50, she is called Vriddha and prohibited for coitus. Synonyms according to stages of life. She is Rajasvala during menstruation, Rutumati during the stage after menstruation when the chances of pregnancy are high. She is called Garbhini during pregnant state. Prajayini, Upasthita Prasava and Prajayini Shamana are the adjectives during stages of labor, and she is Sutika within 6 weeks after delivery. In this way, in short, we can have entry in the topics Strirog Prasuti Tantra in Ayurveda. In the next chapter, we are going to discuss about Rajovah Strotas. Your response with queries and comments are welcome. Thank you and take care.